Hey everyone, and welcome to Zapaey. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an outstanding freelance profile that helps you stand out and land your first gig. A strong profile builds trust. So, let's get started. First, head to zapaey.com and click on the Sign Up or Join button in the top right corner. Enter your email, create a strong password, and make sure to select Freelancer so you can start offering your services. Once done, you will be able to see your dashboard. To start building your profile, from the left side of your screen, select Profile. This is where you introduce yourself to potential clients. Start by uploading a featured image or profile photo. Choose a clean, professional picture where you look approachable. Then, fill out your full name and friendly address. Select your location from the drop-down and set your minimum and maximum hourly rate in USD. Keep it realistic based on your skills and experience. Next, select your gender. Enter your date of birth and choose the right category that best fits your services, for example, design, writing, marketing, or development. Add a clear job title, something short and searchable like full-stack web developer or professional video editor. Set your English level from the menu so clients know your communication ability. Then, write a strong description in the text box. Summarize who you are, your skills, and why clients should hire you. Keep it friendly, confident, and focused on results you deliver. You can also set your map location by dragging the pin to your city. This helps local clients find you easily. Finally, upload any resume or portfolio attachments in PDF or DOC format. And if possible, paste your introduction video link to give clients a personal impression of you. Once everything looks complete, make sure your profile is set to show and hit Save. That's it. Your Zapaey freelance profile is now ready to impress clients and attract real projects. In our next video, we'll cover how to publish your first gig and start earning on Zapaey. Thanks for watching, and happy freelancing!